Welcome back to my channel. If you're into stealth camping or just love the idea of living the van life with complete freedom and minimal footprint, then the 2025 Stealth Camper Motorhome is going to blow your mind. This latest release has been turning heads in the campervan and RV community for all the right reasons. With a design that combines futuristic aesthetics with total functionality, the 2025 model is the ultimate definition of living off the grid without compromising comfort. It's built for those who want to stay under the radar while having everything they need on board, from high-tech solar systems to hidden compartments and whisper-quiet insulation. The exterior of the 2025 Stealth Camper is sleek, matte-finished, and looks more like a commercial van than a motorhome, which is exactly what stealth campers are after. No flashy logos, no colorful graphics, just a low-profile, urban-style vehicle that blends into any parking lot or back alley. Underneath that stealthy exterior is a body made from lightweight but ultra-durable composite panels that resist heat, moisture, and corrosion. It's built to last and endure all types of weather, whether you're tucked into a forest or parked downtown. Under the hood, it's powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine with an optional full-electric drivetrain. This gives it a serious edge for long-distance travel and city stealth parking. It's also equipped with regenerative braking and a solar roof that can generate enough power to keep the lights, fridge, fans, and even a small induction cooktop running without ever plugging in. The energy system is managed by an AI-based power optimizer, which learns your habits and automatically adjusts consumption to maximize efficiency. Step inside, and the transformation is stunning. The interior is designed with modular furniture that can be adjusted, folded, or hidden depending on your needs. During the day, it feels like a small but modern studio, complete with a convertible workspace, a fold-out bed, and plenty of concealed storage. At night, the windows go dark with built-in electronic tinting, and the mood lighting sets a cozy atmosphere. There's even a hidden shower compartment with a self-cleaning feature and a dry flush toilet that eliminates odors completely, perfect for stealth camping in urban areas. Connectivity is another strong suit of the 2025 model. It comes pre-installed with Starlink satellite internet, giving users uninterrupted high-speed internet anywhere they go. Whether you're uploading videos, working remotely, or streaming movies in the middle of nowhere, you're covered. The camper also includes a smart home control system that works through a touchscreen panel and smartphone app. You can control lighting, heating, locks, and appliances remotely, all with voice commands too, thanks to full AI integration. For safety and stealth, the 2025 Stealth Camper features advanced thermal insulation, sound-deadening materials, and even a night vision dash cam with 360-degree motion detection around the van. If anyone comes near your vehicle while you're sleeping, you'll be alerted instantly. The tires are run-flat capable, and the suspension is adjustable, letting you shift between off-road clearance and low-profile street parking in seconds. It's truly engineered for stealth and security, no matter the environment. One of the most exciting things is how customizable the 2025 model is. Buyers can choose between a few different layouts and tech bundles, depending on their lifestyle, whether they're digital nomads, weekend warriors, or full-time vanlifers. There's also an upgrade option for a roof tent expansion and an under-van bike garage, all hidden from view to maintain the stealth aesthetic. With its futuristic design, eco-friendly power system, and unmatched stealth features, the 2025 Stealth Camper Motorhome is setting a new standard for van life and urban off-grid living. Whether you're escaping into the wild or blending into the city, this is the camper that lets you do both, quietly, comfortably, and completely free. Keep an eye on this one, because it's not just a trend, it's the future of mobile living.